Welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a minute or two since we've been on here, but we had time to make a video and we're getting ready for a race. We're taking our 3 cube saw and we're taking our 4 cube, which we're going to run the 5 cube muffler and the 5 cube pipe. And we got the 2100, which we're going to run the open class. These are both just gas saws. And Garrett Barker was nice enough to take our 490 here and set it up to run alcohol nitromethane. So we got a 20% mix that we're going to run in the 490, gas in the Poulan, and gas in the 2100. Now these two saws probably going to be outmatched, but if we can manage to get things going, there's a chance that something could happen good. But we're just going for the fun. And now the Poulan and the 2100 being gas saws, they're not at the caliber that they're going to be racing against. So it'll just be for practice. I got the handles mounted on the Poulan and the Johnson Red. That way I can practice my cold start. Because we do have a race that we're putting on ourselves. July 13th, Mason, Michigan. I'll put a link down in the description of this video with the information for our race that we're putting on. Like I said, July 13th, Mason, Michigan. And I will be making some more videos. We'll be doing some more testing. But today we're just going to test the nitro in our 490. Get a couple cuts with just a plain round chain to see where these stack up. And I wanted to get a video made, say hi to everybody, let everybody know that we are doing well. Just been super slammed in the shop and a few projects around the house. Been extra busy this time of year. So we got Husky C83. Now I'll swap this chain to all of them and we'll see just how quick it is through our little piece of cottonwood. Alright, so we're going to start with the 490. Like I said, I've never ran this on the nitro mix. So we'll see how it does. I'll get it primed up, fired up. Now I do know that the way these will heat up, we want it a little bit rich on the first cut, come in on the second, and be just right on the third. So I'm going to try a couple different times. I'll get it fired up, and then I'll even try cold starting, because that's what this race is. So we'll see how it goes. So wish me luck. We'll try a cold start, see how it restarts. I'll richen it up just a touch. Well, we'll be able to practice at the race, I guess. But we'll get this switched over, see what we can do with the other two saws. Alright, now we got our Poulan out. Like I said, this is gas saw, same one we ran at Sawfest. Got the same exact C83 chain. We're running an 8-pin sprocket on this. I'll make a test cut, make sure it tunes good. Then I'll see how well it cold starts for a 3 cut. Then we can compare this to the 490. All right, one saw to go. So we got our 2100, same C83 chain. This one's running a 9-pin sprocket. So I'll do the same, just make one little test cut, and then I'll try a cold start 3 cut. Lost my corner. Well, that's what you don't want to do, so we'll try not to do that later. Alright, so we got all those test cuts done. The 490 on the nitro mix seemed to respond and run pretty well. Refired really well. So I'm leaving that one alone, and we'll cross our fingers and hope that the weather stays about the same tomorrow. The 425 probably had my best 3 cuts on it. Felt good. It is just a gas saw. Still has a choke, still everything, just like we ran at Sawfest. Does have the brake. Hopefully I don't hit that at the race. But we've got it all set up. Got all these set up with actual square ground full race chains. And we've got our custom bars on the 2100 and the 425. These are custom made race bars. 2100 uses a 9-pin. Tail profile is a little bit large for standard bars. So these are cut and made just to run the bigger sprockets. And my friend Cole makes both of these. So if you're interested in the bar, let me know and I can get you in touch. These are good high quality bars and they're made to run the bigger race sprockets. So if you're looking for a race saw bar, let me know. He also does chains. I can get you in touch with him for a bar or a chain. But this is what we're running. We got a 9-pin on the 2100, 8-pin on the 425, and we're running a 7-pin on the little 490. So hopefully we can get some footage of the races, and hopefully everything goes well. But we got our test cuts done. I got a little bit of practice in. Definitely need a little bit more, but that's all part of it.
Should be getting ready. New leader, time is 6.2 Okay, are Sawyer's ready? Timer's ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Sawyer's are ready. Timer's ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Sawyer ready? Timer ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Sawyer ready? Timer ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
And I also want you to remember that we're doing a race of our own, July 13th at the Ingham County Fairgrounds in Mason, Michigan. And I'll have some more information about that in the description below. So until next time, thanks a lot, everyone.